Hello dear students, in the last video you learned about different types of style and how to apply a style in the document. Now we are going to start part 2 of topic create and apply styles in the document. Let's move to the explanation. Topic is fill format mode. Use fill format mode to apply a style to many different areas quickly without having to go back to style and formatting window and double click every time. Follow these steps. Let's do the practical and learn how to apply this format. Firstly, open a style and formatting window and select a style. Then click a fill format mode icon and to apply a paragraph, hold down the mouse button while selecting a paragraph or character. And if you want to apply same format to the another paragraph, you can. And if you want to quit this format, click the icon again, fill format mode, otherwise press the escape key. Next topic, create new style. This procedure can save time because you don't have remember all the formatting settings you want, as is necessary when creating a new style with the style dialog box. Follow these steps. Let's do the practical and see how to create a new style in a document. Firstly, change the formatting of the object. Here I am selecting a 2 points and change the formatting. Change font size. Then go back to the style and formatting window and click new style from selection. And this window is up here. This is a create a style window. Type here a new style name and OK. Here new style is created. Then check is it working or not. Apply a same style. It's applied. Go to the next topic. Next topic is drag and drop a selection to a create a style. Follow these steps. Let's do the practical and see how to apply this one method. Here, firstly open a style and formatting window. Then select the object you want to base the style. I'm selecting a paragraph and change the formatting. Then drag it to the style and formatting window. The cursor changes its shape and open this one window. Create a style. Here type a new style name. Then click OK and style is created. Let's check. New style is created. Okay, go to the next one topic, modifying style. Writers provide several predefined style, but you may find that they don't fit your preference. So writer offers 3 methods to modify predefined or custom style. First one, update a style from a selection. Second, load or copy style from another document or template. And third one, change a style using a style dialog box. What is custom style? Custom style means user created style. You can build your own library of custom styles to use in the place of predefined ones, or you can modify the changing. Next topic, update style. Follow these steps. Let's do the practical. How to update a style. Here I already typed 2 lines with same formatting. Times New Roman and 12 font size. Then select a paragraph and added all the properties you want to go into the style. Click a style, character style, then change a style. That is example. It's applied. Here example style contains Corel new font face and 12 font size. Okay, here I want to update this one style. Example, change the formatting first. Firstly change the font face Arial, then font size. Okay, go back to the style and formatting window and select a style, then click new style from selection and update style. It's updated. Let's check. Select the second one line and apply a same style. Firstly click a character style, then select a style, that is example. Here both lines having a same style. Next topic, load style from a template or document. Follow these steps. Let's do the practical. Here this method copies all styles and group of styles at a one time. And here I'm using two files. Firstly I'm working on a first file. Here I'm creating a new style. Select the first line, then change the formatting. Go back to a style and formatting window and click new style from selection, and this window is up here. This is a create a style window, and type here a new style name. And then click OK, and new style is created. Then save this file with name first file, then close this document, open a second one document. This is a second one document, and here I want to copy all style from a first file. Go back to a style and formatting window and click new style from selection and load style. This is the load style window. Here three categories: my template, presentation background and presentation. Firstly select my template, but my template is empty. Then click from file. This window is up here. This is a selection window. Select a file. Here all styles are loaded from the first file. Let's check. Select a line and apply a same style. It's working. Go to the next one topic, changing a style using the style dialog box. Firstly right click on the style and then select modify, and this dialog box is up here. This is a style dialog box. Using this box you can changing a style. In this video you learn about how to create a style and modify a predefined or custom style. If you didn't subscribe this channel, let's do it for next update. In the next video, we will see how to insert and use images in the document. Thank you for watching everyone. Bye-bye.